fruits and vegetables must have in your kitchen. Today I'm going to show you the best and easiest fruits and vegetables that you can have in your kitchen, that it's easy to access, easy to use, and it's always helpful to have such fruits and vegetables always at hand. Welcome to Healthy Living Fit channel by Florence Tracker. Today I'm going to show you the best fruits and vegetables that you have in your kitchen that are very essential in your kitchen. Let's go and take a look at this. 8 must have fruits and vegetables in your kitchen. This is something that really helps. It's very easy that when you are in need of them, you can get them right away and it's ready available for you to use. And the first thing I would say is it's always good to have banana. I know everyone loves banana, and it's always good to have one at hand, always, even if it is 1 or 2 on your counter. That way, just in case you need banana for something, or you yourself, because the body needs banana, can use it, you have it right away at hand. And then the second thing that I would say you need apples. Apples are really good for us. You need all different kinds of apple if you can, and just leave it in the counter, or you can put it in the refrigerator. So when you need to do something, maybe you just need to put it in a little recipe you are making, you have it at hand. So that is really good to have always at hand. And also the third thing I would say you need to have is mango. Mango are really good for us. A good nice mango, you can just set it on your counter, or you just put it in a refrigerator if it is too ripe. There are various uses for mango. You can use smoothie. You can use your mango with banana and make smoothie. If you are a smoothie person, you can do that. You can make it as a salad, and there are so many uses for mango. So if you are a mango person, always have 1 or 2 at hand, just in case you need it for something, and then you can just get it right away. And also oranges. Oranges are good. The juice, the zest, there are so many uses for oranges. So it's good to have 1 or 2 couples always on your kitchen, that when you need to use it, it's right there for you. You don't have to think about it. So that is one thing. And also I like tangerine. They are also good. It's sweet, and if you don't have orange, at least tangerine. Kids love tangerine because of the design, the way it's designed. So you can have that at hand all the time. You can put this in the lunch box for your kids. They like it because you can just peel it off. You can just peel it off, and and it's ready for you to use. It's just so simple. Just peel it off and it's ready to eat. So it's good to put this in the kids lunch box. And then also you need some strawberries. You need to have some fresh strawberries at hand. These you can freeze them. You can put them in a freezer, froze them. You can have them fresh in the refrigerator. You can use so many things with strawberries. You use strawberry smoothie, is there. You can use strawberry for salad, is there. Strawberry for so many things you can use strawberries with. And this is one of the things that you need and you don't have it. So you can just have some, put it in the freezer, and so whenever you need strawberry, you just get it. It's right there, and you don't need to now you have to drive and go and get strawberry for whatever you are making. It's good for baking. So many recipes call for strawberries. So it's something that you have always at hand. And then also what you can have also is grapes. Grapes are delicious. You can have different colors, the red, the green, because you can have grape salad. Grapes, you can eat grape just like that. There are so many things, and you can put this in a lunch box for your kids as well, because kids love grapes. They are sweet, the same as strawberries, So if you have those at hand, you can just give them these, or yourself. It's good to have it as a snack, and it's really good to always have this at hand. And then also, if you are somebody who cooks a lot at home, these are a must-have. Onions. When it comes to any recipe, anything you are cooking, you need onions. Onions are something you don't want to be out of at all, because just onion adding with something else, you can make a real recipe. So this is a must-have always in your kitchen that you never run out of. And then also tomatoes. As you can see, tomatoes are a good vegetable fruit that you can always have, because when you have tomatoes and onions, you can make a real meal recipe, a full recipe. And so always I have this in my kitchen. I have onions always. I have the white, the yellow, and the red always that I use. As you can see, I have all kinds of colors of onions. I have tomatoes always in my kitchen, so that if I just want to make a little meal, I have onions and tomatoes. I just add a little pepper and you are done with your meal, whatever you are making. So these are something that you always want to have in your kitchen, and it's very helpful. It's easy. You don't have to always be wondering, do I have this? It's just a quick way to always be prepared when you want to make anything, when it comes to your fruits and vegetables, or when it comes to making some smoothies, recipes, baking. You have all your fruits and vegetables that are always at hand, and you will never run out of them. So make sure you always have these things in your kitchen, so you are never going to think of, oh, I want to make this recipe. It calls for strawberry. I do not have strawberry. I want to make some little small recipe. I need onions, tomatoes. I don't have any. So I always go through that, and I know how it's like. So I want to share with you. These are things that I always have, and as you can see, I have a load of them. I always shop weekly for my fruits and vegetables, and I keep them all the time because I don't know what I will need during the week. But having all this at hand makes it so easy for me always to have these items at hand and just use them whenever I want to. So this is what I just want to give you a little tip. So these are the 8 must-have produce and vegetables that are always handy to have, that are always must have in your kitchen. So that's all I want to share with you today. I hope this video helps you in some way. Always just get a little basket for these fruits and vegetables. This is the basket I have. I use this basket and put all my fruits and vegetables in. You can see I have some acorn squash. I have some sweet potatoes already in there. I have some fresh coconut that I'll be using for a recipe that I need to use. So these are the things I have it already, so I don't have to think about them. And you can see, always make sure you have something like this at hand, and it's always helpful. So I hope this video helps you in some way, and if it does, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Share, like, comment, and I always thank you for watching my videos. And stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you on my next one. Take care. Bye.